Welcome to the quick application portal of Visa Agency by Flado Indonesia at app.flado.id. It is a simple way to do it in 5 to 10 minutes. You can do it from the mobile version as well as the desktop version. In the desktop version, you will find descriptions. Visa C1 Tourist, and a second option, C1 Tourist, if you have a travel document. Passport holders don't need to think about this option at all. The B1 visa for short-term visits is available only for a limited list of countries, 97 countries. The D1 visa is for you if you want to travel from time to time to Indonesia over 1, 2, or 5 years. You can choose this option. Let's check how fast it is to apply for a visa to Indonesia. We are filling the name. We are choosing the number of people. If you choose a few people, you will fill in the data one by one in the next step, after confirming your email. If you need the visa faster, just turn on the speed up option. Yes, you will pay more. For example, you see the price is 2.2 plus 2 million. Later, you pay 4.2 million. You need to put your email here, which you need to confirm right now. And here goes your phone number with the country code, the number you use for WhatsApp in case we need to contact you. Okay, next step. Now you should confirm your email. Please check your spam or junk folder. If you don't find the email, just add no reply at flado.id to your safe senders. Ask our consultants on WhatsApp or give an alternative email. We prefer Gmail. Please click the link in your inbox. You can always continue with the application by following this link. Now we are on the second step. We need to upload documents for every person we have. In this example, we have only one person from one. Full address. Please put the name of any hotel where you plan to stay. It will be better for us. We can Google it to find the exact address. Now take a picture of your passport. Also, prepare your portrait photo and bank statement. Use what you have, preferably a 3-month bank account statement showing $2,000. If you have it, upload some file. Let's take your passport photo. Press the button for passport copy. Choose camera. Passport in front. Open the passport to the biometry page. We only need the lower part with your photo and data. Please do not cover it with your fingers. Do not cut off the edges. Great. You can see a preview of your passport copy. Next step, portrait photo. You can take a selfie. Choose camera. Minimize shadows, and please try to use a light background. We can edit it later and remove the background too. Wonderful. Now please go to your bank application and prepare a bank statement for the current month, the previous month, and 2 months before. It will probably be 3 files. Please merge them using any application you find on the internet. You can Google Merge PDF to combine a few files into one. Please upload this file and press Next. Sure, if you have technical issues, you can send all files to our WhatsApp. We will merge them. We will also crop pictures and decrease the size, as the portal might look slow if you use high-quality camera images. We are already on the last step. Confirmation. On this step, you can pay for your visa application. Just press Pay Now and prepare your bank card to fill in all data. You can see that we accept Visa, MasterCard, and JCB, Japanese banks. You can also make transfers via the Indonesian banking system using virtual addresses for Permata, Mandiri, BRI, BNI, and other banks. Also, you can pay via QR code through the national system QRIS, or pay by cash at the nearest Alfamart convenience store if you are currently in Indonesia. All methods are instant. You can choose the one you prefer. Just fill in your data now. Payment successful. Please send the screenshot to our WhatsApp and we'll start the application process immediately. But if you expect problems or payment was unsuccessful, please try again. Press the Try Again link or contact us, and we will help you with alternative methods. If you want to try again, please contact your bank. You probably need to tell them you are trying to pay at a foreign online store. You may need to increase your payment limits. Thank you so much. Visa Agency by Flado Indonesia believes that our development will help make the process secure, fast, and with fewer mistakes.